And we're back to learning CapCut in the year day 9. Let me show you how you can set the aspect ratio. So this is simply the format of your video, and I've got two clips here. This is 60:9 and then 9:16 are the equivalent of vertical and horizontal smartphone recordings. So they have a different aspect ratio, and if I add via the plus sign the first one right here, the horizontal and then the vertical, you can see the vertical has these black bars. And this indicates that we have a video that doesn't fit the format anymore. So by me adding the 16:9 first, this is the aspect ratio, the format that's automatically set to the entire project. If I now add the 9:16, we will have these black bars on the sides. But let me add the 9:16 first, and now the 16:9, and we have these black bars on top and bottom. So the format, the aspect ratio was now flipped. And in principle, you can see that whatever you add first to your project as a file, and this also goes for images, not just clips, this is going to set the format automatically. So if I add again the 16:9 first, this will be our project aspect ratio, and everything that you add afterwards will not change that aspect ratio. So if I add now the 9:16, we have the black bars again. And that is because right here where it says ratio, if we left click on it, you can see it's set to original. And this simply means that the original aspect ratio is used, and that's then the original of the first element that you've added. So in my case 16:9, this vertical shot. Let me switch that back, and I can change it here as well. So left click, let me set it to 9:16, and there are also different aspect ratios, for example 4:3, so that's more like an old TV format. Usually you need 16:9 for YouTube videos, for example. For TikTok it's 9:16, and you can change that right here via ratio. But in general, it's always the first element that you add that sets it for all of these elements in your project. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.